All right, some twist now in the earlier non-cooperation between the police. Now the Patna police is saying that the Mumbai cops are cooperating. So seems there is some headway now. The Patna police saying they have started to receive cooperation from the Mumbai police. They said this after leaving the Bandra police station. The Patna police also has said that the actor and partner of the late actor Sushant Singh Rajput, Rhea Chakrabarti, is under our supervision. All right, let's first go across to the city of Mumbai where this whole controversy is playing out, keeping how right now the focus is on Rhea Chakrabarti, how it's become. First, let's talk about Saurabh, this confrontation between police personnel. So can we now say that the situation is back to normal? There is cooperation, there could be a joint investigation?
Well, we can't say this as of now because, look, Bihar police may be saying that they are getting cooperation, but we again saw how they went from Bandra police station to some other location in an auto rickshaw. If by going by the protocol, Mumbai police should have given them a police vehicle, a police personnel who would assist them with a proper documentation. Now, earlier they had gone to Cooper Hospital for the post-mortem report where they did not get any report by the hospital. They asked them for proper documentation. Now, the second thing, what the Bihar police earlier claimed that Rhea Chakrabarti is not traceable. Within few moments, we got a reply from Rhea's advocate, Satish Maheshinde, who clearly told us that Rhea is not wanted. She is very well in the city. But right now, the case is sub judice. I am handling the whole case. So if the cops want to talk to Rhea, they have to first go through me. So now, later on, the Bihar police reached Bandra police station. Now they are claiming that we are getting support from Mumbai police officials. But Mumbai police have clearly mentioned till now, and right now also when we spoke, they clearly said that they are seeking legal opinion. Because remember, they don't want Bihar police to investigate the whole case. They are saying we have recorded over 40 statements, 45 days have passed. We are in the right course of direction. The investigation is going in the right direction. So we will investigate the case. So then they are also getting the support from the Maharashtra government, who in the whole process have clearly stated that the Mumbai police is very much efficient, and whatever proof or anything the other agencies have, the people have any doubts, they can go to Mumbai police, submit those proofs. They will definitely investigate. We just now heard how Nitish Kumar gave a statement. Earlier yesterday, Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray broke his silence. He clearly told that the Mumbai police is very much capable of this. They are very efficient. And they have sacrificed their lives.
Saurabh, it is fair to say that surely Mumbai police may be at their best, but there have been joint investigations of so many different state police in so many cases. What is stopping this issue to get together now? It's quite sad actually how this is playing out. But stay on with me, Saurabh, because like we're talking about Bihar police as well now, the Bihar police is planning to issue a lookout notice against actor Rhea Chakrabarti. The Bihar police has also claimed that Rhea is missing, cannot be contacted. They've added that they visited her house in Mumbai, but she was not there when she was approached. But replying to their charge, the lawyer of Rhea Chakrabarti has claimed otherwise. Her counsel has stated no one visited her premises. No summons or notice has been issued by the Bihar police to Rhea Chakrabarti. The Bihar police claims to have strong evidence against her. On Thursday, they filed a caveat in the Supreme Court to oppose her attempts to transfer the case filed against her in connection with Sushant Singh Rajput's death case from Patna to Mumbai. So I want to go back now to Mumbai because Saurabh Bhaktania is tracking this case closely. So Saurabh, Bihar police seems very confident and they're not backing down despite alleging non-cooperation. They say they clearly have some evidence that they are banking on to get close to the actor.
Let me tell you that we are, the fresh information would like to give you right now that we are outside Rumi Jafri's residence, and over here, just right now you can see the cops have arrived. Let's just take you through.
Yes, Saurabh, go ahead. Go close to where these cops are. Go ahead.
So this is the Bihar police. So this is the Bihar police right now outside Rumi Jafri's residence. We'll try to speak to them. सर बिहार पुलिस आपको कॉपरेट कर रही है सर So this is the Bihar police right now at filmmaker Rumi Jaffrey's residence in Versova. They have arrived over here. Sir, कितने statement हुआ अभी तक? Five statement. और सर रिया के बारे में कुछ पता चला है? रिया से आपके कुछ कांटेक्ट हुए हैं? सर रिया से आपके कुछ कांटेक्ट हुए हैं?
No, not now.
Not now. सर कब तक बात हो सकती है?
Not now.
सर मुंबई पुलिस is cooperating.
Yeah.
This is the Bihar police who
Yes.
have just arrived at the residence of filmmaker Rumi Jaffrey. Now, listen, Rumi Jaffrey was in very good contact with Sushant Singh Rajput and Riya Chakrabarti as well. So they were actually planning to make a film after the lockdown. They were planning 2 films after the lockdown was over. So right now, while speaking to us, Bihar police clearly told us that yes, they are getting cooperation by the Mumbai police official. They have till now taken 5 statements. They are also going to interrogate Riya Chakrabarti.
So Saurabh, you're telling us they are also approaching filmmakers and not just Riya Chakrabarti. So filmmakers who may have been in contact,
Yes.
who may have been approaching projects are there reaching and approaching all of them.
Yes, definitely. So what we got information, what the Bihar police actually told us that they have recorded 5 statements till now, and right now they have reached filmmaker Rumi Jaffrey's resident over here. You can see the flat number 306, whereas the filmmaker Rumi Jaffrey actually reside. And let me tell you, Rumi Jaffrey initially had told us that Sushant Singh Rajput was in contact with him, and they were actually planning 2 films, and that too Riya Chakrabarti will be in that film. So it was the first time when when Sushant along with Riya Chakrabarti would have been in the same film. So right now the statement of Rumi Jaffrey is very important, that what Sushant was going through, what was his conditions over there. So speaking to us, 5 statements till now. The Riya Chakrabarti is still under scanner. They will be taking her statement too. But at the present, Bihar police inside the house of filmmaker Rumi Jaffrey, and they'll be taking his statement.
Thank you so much, Saurabh Vakhtania, to be at the right spot. Get us that breaking update. Bihar police arriving in a Mumbai taxi this time, still not being provided with a police vehicle. They're saying they've taken 5 statements approaching filmmakers. But the bigger question now remains, all the focus is on Riya Chakrabarti. Remember, these are just allegations against her, need to be investigated. And she has now also broken her silence. Riya Chakrabarti spoke out on Sushant Singh Rajput's death case. And she says she is certain that truth will prevail. Listen into her version as well.
I have immense faith in God and the judiciary. I believe that I will get justice. Even though a lot of horrible things are being said about me in the electronic media, I refrain from commenting on the advice of my lawyers, as the matter is sub judice. Satyamir Jayate. The truth shall prevail.
So what has led to becoming this case so murky? India Today exclusively accessed Sushant Singh Rajput's bank account details as well. Now the statement reflects within a 90-day period from 14th October, the bank balance of the actor was reduced from 4.64 crore rupees to just 1.4 crore rupees. On October 14th itself, about 5 lakh rupees was spent, it seems, on Riya Chakrabarti's brother's aircraft and hotel expenses. About 75,000 rupees was spent on her makeup and shopping in November, in addition to 1.5 lakh rupees transferred to her account that month. So now the Enforcement Directorate is looking into the money transferred to Riya Chakrabarti's personal expenses possibly and to the account of her family members. The ED suspects illegal money transaction, also probing that the 2 companies where Riya Chakrabarti and her brother Shoubek are directors have also been asked to submit their bank statements and income tax returns.
Is going to be very crucial as far as investigation in this case is concerned. Now, there are 3 specific focus points of Enforcement Directorate. One is the personal expenses, which was by Sushant Singh Rajput. These personal expenses of Riya Chakravarti, according to the bank statement, involves her shopping, makeup, and hotel bills. Apart from that, ED will also be looking at the family members of Riya Chakravarti, because there is transaction for Riya's brother tuition fee, his hotel bills, flight tickets. So these are going to be very crucial. Another aspect which the ED is looking at, the companies where Riya Chakravarti and her brother were directors, and ED will try to find out the details of what the company was doing from last few months. Also, was there any transaction between those companies and Sushant Singh Rajput? So ED at this point of time suspect that there might be illegal transaction from Sushant's account, and the family has already alleged that there was 15 crore of fraud which was committed by Riya Chakravarti and her family members. So these are going to be very specific direction of questioning as far as Riya Chakravarti is concerned, and also where the Enforcement Directorate will try to find out the details about these transactions.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.